In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide navigation on Squarespace. Starting off, you'll want to head over to Squarespace's main page. Once you're there, the first step is quite straightforward. Simply click on the Login button. This is your gateway to entering the backstage of your website where all the magic happens. After clicking on Login, you'll be prompted to continue with Google. This makes the process smoother if your Squarespace account is linked to your Google account. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google and then select your Google account from the list provided. This will ensure that you're securely logged in and ready to make changes to your website. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to your website. This can easily be done by following the link provided or by selecting your site from the options in your Squarespace dashboard. This step is critical as it leads you directly to where you can start customizing and managing your site's content and design. Next up, you're going to click on Pages. This is where you'll see a list of all the different pages that make up your website. Think of it as the table of contents of your site. Each page represents a section of your website, and it's here that you can start making adjustments. Now for the task at hand, hiding navigation. Begin by clicking on the gear icon of a page that's not your home page. This will open up the settings for that particular page. Within these settings, you'll find the option to set as home page. Clicking this essentially nominates this page as the main entry point of your website. Go ahead and confirm your choice by clicking on Confirm. After you've set the new home page, you'll need to close this settings window, which can easily be done by clicking on Close. This action takes you back to the main pages screen. Next, find the gear icon of your original home page. This is the page we're looking to hide from the navigation. Once you click on this gear icon, you'll be presented with several options. Look for the Disable Page option and click on it. What this does is it essentially hides the page from your site's navigation, making it inaccessible via the main menu. To finalize this change, it's crucial that you save your settings. Simply click on Save, and voila, your page will now be hidden from the navigation menu on your Squarespace website. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to hiding navigation on your Squarespace site. Remember, this process doesn't delete the page from your website, it merely hides it from your site's navigation, allowing for a cleaner look or for the page to be used in a different way, such as a landing page for newsletters or special campaigns. Managing your site's navigation in this way can help streamline the user experience, ensuring your visitors see only what you want them to see and nothing more. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Stick around for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Squarespace website.